What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So today I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to start doing some shorter videos. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below on some content that you think would be good for me to use, or for me to make you to use. Stuff you want more information on, stuff you want more clarity on. So I can provide that to you. Today we're going to go over a longer term trade that's actually starting to become a shorter term trade just because it's up so much. But I'm again going to show you how you can use this tool, the infinity indicator, to essentially call tops and bottoms at a very, very accurate clip. So again, like and subscribe, and let's get started. All right, so for those of you that don't know, this is the infinity indicator, okay? It's a custom indicator that I created, that we coded, and it works fucking amazing. Here, this is the trade I'll be talking about here, this buy signal here, and I'll pull that up. But as you can see, the indicator works great. Here's the last few trades here. You had and this is the daily chart, the 1 day chart, if you will. And as you can see, this indicator works great. Okay, here it is giving us a buy signal. Here at where did this open at? About 2450. And as you can see, it went up. All the way to about where did this close at? 32. So about 50%. So about 50% gains on a stock. Granted, this is a leveraged ETF, but this is a stock. This is not an option. From when is this? The end of January to. Keep moving my head, and now that's in the way. Give me a fucking break. To May, so about a 2-month trade, 50% gains. Okay, and then on top of that, you can actually there is a short ETF as well. So if you don't want to trade options, because an option play like this would have just smashed over 1,000%, and then you have the downside trade as well. So you can short this and take this short. So we did get a sell signal here at the end of May, let's say the beginning of June, here at about 30-ish. And then you could have rode that all the way down to about 25. So what is that? I'm not even going to pretend to know, but maybe 20% gains? I don't know. And again, that's just the stock. And then this is the trade that I'm talking about that we're getting into. These trades we did not alert because I was still setting up the indicator. But as you can see, they worked out great. And I'm not cherry picking here, okay? If you go back, you can see here's another trade here. This is an okay trade here. Here's a good trade here. Here's a good trade here. Here's a good win. All these are winning trades. Okay, so I'm not just cherry picking here. These are all. Show me a better indicator. Okay, I'll just leave it at that. I'm trying to keep these videos shorter. So anyways, this last trade, KWEB, we got a buy signal here on September 10th, and it is now up. About 34%, almost 35%. Now, this was a long-term trade, so it's something we're looking to stay in for usually, generally, closer to a year or possibly longer. But when you're up almost 40%, that's why I said throw a trailing stop loss on it. So, and again, this is not options, okay? This is leveraged ETFs. All you're doing is you're buying a stock. It's an ETF, but you're buying a stock, okay? So let's be clear on that. This is not options. So my people who aren't about options, This is where you want to be. Okay. Um, so let's just go back to the chart one last time. So yeah, as you can see, it gave us a buy signal pretty much right at the bottom. We get sell signals pretty much right at the top, and then another signal right at the bottom. And this is with the repeat indicators off. You can actually turn the repeat indicators on, which I generally do, and this allows you to even um, uh, to go deeper into trades, right? So let's look at this. Well, hell, let's look at this last short here, right? So you have your original sell signal, right? Okay, but then you can also average in on each sell point. Okay, so you short here, short again here, and then short again here, and then close out at the buy signal, right? So you just made, considerably more profit by averaging in at each of these points. Okay, and the same thing with the buy signals. Okay, buy signal here, buy signal here, buy signal here, buy signal here. Okay, so you have 6 buy signals right here within this couple month period or so, and then it takes off. Okay, so you made a ton of money on these plays. And again, this is not, I'm not cherry picking these. Okay, these are the last few trades. I'm not cherry picking. You can go back and look at these trades, and they're all pretty much like that. It's not perfect, okay, but we're looking at like close to 85-90% win rate on these. So like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll give you a free trial on this. To me, proof's in the pudding. So you can see what I'm showing you here, right? And you can take it or leave it. You can say, oh, well, it's too good to be true. Okay, try it, all right? And take it from there. You have nothing to lose. It's a free trial. If it works for you, great. You can purchase the indicator and keep making money. If you don't like it for whatever reason, there is nothing off your skin. All it is a little bit of time and energy that you would have put in, but not a penny would you have put in until you see that this thing works. So anyways, that's all I got. I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.